If you're looking for a comfortable, affordable, and well-built lounge chaise for your outdoor living space, then look no further than the Purple Leaf Dual Chaise and Table Combination Kit. This set has completely transformed my outdoor living space and made relaxing out here so much more enjoyable. When my furniture set arrived, it was in one big flat box, so I knew I had some assembly time ahead of me. Everything was packaged nice and neat inside the box, and the parts for each chair were separated with plastic bags so that you wouldn't mix things up. It came with a nice set of instructions. The hardware for each chair and the table were all separated, and they even give you a couple of wrenches so that you don't have to use your own tools. I quickly went through the instructions, but the assembly seemed pretty straightforward. There's one thing I will stress, is make sure you do not tighten everything up as you're starting the assembly. You have to leave everything loose in order for you to be able to get all the parts and pieces to fit together. I took my time, step by step, and didn't run into any issues. Other than the fact that it was 100 degrees on the day I decided to do this, which meant I actually had to take advantage of my Purple Leaf cantilever umbrella that I had purchased a few weeks back. Once I got everything assembled, it was then time to tighten everything up. At this point, it was extremely hot out, and I was just dying to get this done with, so I decided to bring in my impact gun with a 10mm socket to make this go a little faster. And after about 10 minutes, I had one chair fully assembled. And these things are super comfortable. So now it's time to get started on the second chair, which should go a lot easier now that I've already done one. Now with both chairs assembled, I can put together this table. The table is super easy to put together, 4 screws, and again, it comes with an Allen key to put it together. I did have to take a second here to flex it a little bit to make sure that it sat perfectly square on my deck. After everything was assembled, I did notice that one of my chaise lounges was not sitting flat on my deck. But that's okay, because Purple Leaf already anticipated that this might happen. It's a very simple fix. I just got a few pieces of wood stacked up, suspended the chair up on it, and pushed down to kind of straighten out the frame a little bit. And in less than 10 seconds, I had this chaise sitting flat like it should be. The fabric on these chairs is durable, breathable, and water resistant. So you don't have to worry about bringing them inside every time it rains, and you don't have to worry about sweating to death when you sit on these things on a hot day. The chair frames are made of aluminum, which makes them extremely lightweight, but that doesn't mean that they're not strong enough to support you. The finish is a factory baked-on coating, which means you're not going to have any issues with rust and corrosion. And these wide armrests are extremely comfortable. I'm definitely going to be napping out in the sun when I lay on these chairs. These chaise lounges are also stackable, which is really nice if you just need to make some room or when you need to put them away for the off-season. These chairs even come with pillows that are nice and soft, and they're adjustable. They have a Velcro strap that goes around back, and you can put them at any height that you want. These chairs are really easy to adjust. They've got 5 different heights that lock in place. It doesn't just sit there, it actually locks in place so you know that they're not going to accidentally slip and move on you. And of course, you can go all the way flat if you're sunbathing. So after about 30 minutes of some really easy assembly, I now have some really comfortable, great outdoor furniture to complement my pool deck. I can now sit out here in comfort and enjoy this outdoor weather. One thing I really like about this chaise lounge and table set is that it matches the Purple Leaf cantilever umbrella that I had purchased a few weeks prior. One thing about me is I like it when things match and go together, and so that they don't look like a bunch of random pieces of furniture. And just so you know, Purple Leaf does offer this set in different combinations of chairs and tables and different colors, so you're not locked into what you see here. And if you are interested in getting one of these sets, I'm gonna leave some links in my description below for you to get one for yourself. And you're gonna wanna hurry up and do that before this great summer weather comes to an end.